Hello and welcome to another guided breathing session. My name is Adrienne and I send you so much love. Sit down, lie down, and breathe. In and out. Breathe in and out. In and out. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Feel your body. Mother Earth. Connect with the energy of the oxygen flowing into your veins and arteries. Connect. If sounds or your thoughts are loud, bring it back to the breath. Focus, connect to your body here and now, in this present moment. And taking a big deep breath in, holding it at the top, sipping more in, and hold. Taking a deep breath out in. Nice work. Back into the rhythm. Back actually into the holding. Hold. Hold the breath on the exhale. Feel your body. Parenting a neurodivergent child is not easy, but sometimes when we take a little bit of a moment to breathe, you can do it. And take a deep breath in and hold. And relax and release. Now back into the rhythm of breathing and inhaling and exhaling. Filling your lungs with oxygen. Focusing on your breath, on your life force in this present moment. Love you. You got this, Mama. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just bring it back to the breath. And breathe in again and lift. Sip it in through the top of the lungs and hold at the top. And breathe out and hold for a minute. Breath hold. Allowing yourself to be here and now in the moment. Nice work. Of love, forgiveness, presence, connection. And then in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, take a deep breath in. Hold it at the top. Feeling your body and exhale, holding at the bottom. connecting to your body through the oxygen coming in through your lungs, into your veins and arteries and nerves, the nervous system, arguably the most important system to oxygenate, and breathe in, hold at the top. Breath in, holding at the top. And exhale. Holding at the bottom. Inhale in. Energy down into the heart. Mind energy down into the heart. Holding the breath and bringing the thoughts dripping into the heart. Now I'll do a little bit of energy work to help clear. Sealing up the chakras, sending positive energy, blue light, blue, golden, purple light throughout your whole system. So much for being here.